Studio Social System, Sunday, July 26th. You can go and you can see all of the new additions. We have Backdrop Studio, that was a new addition the other day, and then today we just added the Planner Studio. So if you look, we have lots of studios now. When I started this program about a couple of months ago, we had post, stories, and reels, and now we have so many things. So we just did a big update, and Planner Studio is all new. Okay, once you're logged in, you can see how to use this. So you log in and then you go to the Planner Studio. It's here. And you want to pick what you photograph. Newborn and baby, children, weddings. Let's say I do newborn and baby. You see I've already done a couple of things. And then what you can do is a month, 2 weeks, a week. Let's do a month. And you can plan a balanced month. So you would click here, and I've already done it here, but let's say we do August, okay? And so when you come in here, you can then pick from the different captions, and you can modify this. So like, for example, booking dates for spring now, we can say for fall now. We can upload a photo. So let's find a photo. And then if we want to, we can just save it, or we can decide what are we going to make this as. So let's say posts. We open posts, and it'll say, do you want to use this photo? Yes. Copy the words? Yes. So then we scroll down here, and we can come in here and do paste. Okay. So, and then you can just continue on down all of your other options, your fonts, your captions, if you want more captions, and everything else is there. So it's just a great little way to kind of plan your content. Try it out and let me know what you think.